Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a bounding box in Solidworks. I am using Solidworks 2020, but let's say if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So basically a bounding box is the smallest box that can fully enclose a 3D part or assembly. And the feature particularly useful in estimating material requirement, determining stock sizes before machining or cutting, and creating cut list for weldment parts or let's say structural parts. And it will help you to procure material. It is often used in sheet metal, weldment, machine part, and even in packaging design. I have used this feature when I was working in tool and die shop of my company. Basically, I estimated raw material for dies, and this feature is really helpful. And I will show you 3 parts and we will calculate the bounding box. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's open some files. Let's say I will open this file. So here you can see the 3D model, and let's say I want to estimate the material stock size from which this part can be manufactured. So let's go to this drop down reference geometry, and here you will find this option bounding box. Also, you will go to here insert and then reference geometry, and then you will find the same option here bounding box. So let's click here bounding box, and here it is showing you 2 options, best fit and custom plane. Sometimes best fit option works and sometimes it does not work, so you have to choose this option custom plane. Here it is working fine, and you can include or hide some bodies. This will work when you are dealing with assemblies. Because it is a single part, so this option will not work here. You can include or hide surfaces, and you can show or you can uncheck this box preview. Okay, check this box, and when you hover your cursor here, so you will find the dimensions. Let's say total bounding box length, total height, total width, total enclosed volume. Also, you will go to here file properties, and you will find these options here as well. Okay, you'll find this option 4.5, 2.5 to 22.5, and also you can double check using this command evaluate. Okay, so let's use some other example. Let's go to here open, and let's say this time I'll be using this cage. Okay, let's go to here features, reference geometry, and here you will find this option bounding box. This time let's say I will use this option custom plane, and you can create your own plane as well, but I will be using these 3 planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. So let's choose let's say top plane, and here it is giving me the bounding box like this. Let's say I don't want bounding box like this, I want bounding box like this. So I have to change the plane, clear selections, and I will be using this option right plane. So this looks right to me, and I will check this box, and here you will find the properties. Now I will use last example of assembly. Let's say this one. So let's go to here reference geometry, bounding box, and here it is giving me the bounding box. Okay, this best fit option is working well, and I will not change the plane. So let's say I want to calculate bounding box only for this part, this blue part, and this pin. I don't want to include this pulley, so right click and select height. Now I'll go to here reference geometry, bounding box, and you can include or you can hide components here. You can see. So this is a very good option. Let's say if you are making a die and you want to calculate only the upper part of the die, so you can use this option. I have used this option and this option works very well. Just close this. Now I will include this pulley. Okay. One last time. Go to here, reference geometry, bounding box, select yes. Okay. Now let's say I want to hide this bounding box. So I'll go to this option and I can check this box. I can include bounding box, visibility or not. Let's say I want to hide this bounding box. Still this dialog box appears here, and I can calculate the length, width, height and volume of this assembly. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.